Sweet. Delicious.
That's delicious.
Hi, we're the Berkeley Chefs, and today we're going to make a hemp milkshake.
Yes, so we have here today, we got some hemp milk, Sun Warrior protein powder, cinnamon, some dates soaked in milk so that it will be nice and soft and not hard. And we got some tiger nut powder and some hemp. So we're gonna put now here a cup and a half of hemp bliss milk. So a cup and a half.
And then close it up.
Okay, so hemp is very high in omega-3 and it's very yummy. And we have dates here. Got some it's nice and soft, so it will be really good.
And
for the
easy
blender.
to blend.
Yes, it's very easy to blend. Now we have here, we got, let's see, got some hemp and tiger nut powder. Poured it in. Now, yeah, so we have here, we're gonna put a wait, first before we do that, we have 8 dates that we pour in here. About 8. We're gonna put a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is very sweet. We're gonna now put some of our powder here. It's protein powder. So we're gonna put about a scoop of protein powder that give you have a nice taste and it gives you a energy for the day. Now we're gonna blend. So we have here, we have to have it on low so that it won't shoot up and make a mess. And we gotta go slowly. Start slow and then you move higher. So we're done. Smell good.
Let's see. Do you need a spatula? Push down the rest of the things on the side and mix it a little bit.
Now we're gonna pour these 2 glasses for us to drink.
And to taste the milk. Okay then, now that we're done, we're going to taste the milk. Sweet. Delicious.
That's delicious. This is a great milk to give you energy for the day. In the early morning, you make it and sit and relax.
That'll give you energy for the day so that you could achieve things without being so tired.
Yep. Hemp milkshake is really delicious. So, that's it for today. And until next time, please come back and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below. The recipe is below in the link in the description. No, in the description. And we'll see you next time. Bye.